massage one side of the bag before he makes them both. So just gonna massage both sides just in case they need it. This hole is about as deep as we want. It might be a little bit under 2 feet deep. Digging into clay, I put some pea gravel in the bottom, which is supposed to help moisture wake away from it. I set the spikes in the ground, plumbed it up, and attached it so it shouldn't be able to move. Okay, you roll it. Pop it. And 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000. She's seeming to get big already, so I'm just gonna do this.
It's like slime.
And once it's dry, you can cut it away if there's too much. It's supposed to set, I think actually 2 hours it's supposed to set till you can put new rails on and pickets. Check out the other one. Cool! Science! There's another product like this. It's supposed to be a little stronger, sold in jars or jugs. But I don't think Home Depot had that, so we use this. And we'll test the shrimp a little later, yeah?
Cool.
Alright, I don't know if I'm a hardcore fan of the Sika post-base expanding foam filler. There is a gap. It came away from the post a bit and away from the hole a bit. This one over here especially. So I think what happened is the top cured before the bottom. The bottom continued expanding. So it kind of mushroomed up on us. So I'm going to fill that in with some dirt. You can cut away some of it if it's too much. I could have used a Sonne tube with it, but I did not. But the rails will tie it in. It will hold tight. If this was a gate, I might be worried about it. I'm going to take off my 2 little legs I put on here to hold it while it was forming, or firming, rather. So I'm going to take those off, see how it goes. I'm not going to wiggle it too much because, like I said, the rails will tie it in pretty tight. And this one over here still had some concrete in the bottom that we just slid the post into, kind of cheating.